Hi, this is Kevin Fritz with Iron Point Mortgage here in beautiful Folsom, California with the Real Estate Insider Weekly. I'm here with Steve Beede. Steve, tell us who you are.
Steve Beede, owner of BPE Law Group and attorney.
Great. Hey, Steve's going to talk to us this morning over at the Folsom Tour here on the real estate community, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what's going on in the real estate law world. So tell us, what opportunity is there for upside-down homeowners?
Well, for upside-down homeowners, they're still grappling with the same thing they have for a number of years. Can I get a loan mod, keep my home? For most people trying that path, loan mods are not being granted by lenders. Nobody's interested in doing it. They're clearing stuff off the books either by short sale or by foreclosure. But the biggest question that's hanging out there that really affects realtors is what's going to be the deal on debt forgiveness relief tax? Because whenever you have a short sale, whenever you have a loan mod, whenever you have a foreclosure, debt's forgiven. Am I going to get taxed on it? You know, last year was the big issue. And December 16th, they finally said, we'll give you relief for 2014. That did nothing for realtors and their clients that were trying to get some idea earlier what was going to go on. Right now, there's two bills, one in the House of Representatives and one in the Senate, to extend it all the way through 2016. But we're in an election year. Will anything get granted? We don't know. It's wait and see. Both are in committee as of this week. And so we're going to see what happens in the will of Congress and the will of White House to get together and make something happen.
That makes good sense. So with that said, what opportunities are there for realtors in 2015?
The thing that we're seeing the most is disputes that are coming up between people that have co-owned property for a number of years. Now the values have come up. One wants to sell, the other wants to keep. What happens there in that battle? There's a whole legal process to compel a sale. And then you got the whole other group of people that the one or more owners have died during the recession. Well, now we're dealing with beneficiaries. They want their money. Somebody wants to keep, somebody wants to sell, and you got that whole fight. So we're seeing on the law side a huge amount of issues on what do they do and who's got the right to sign that listing agreement.
Right.
So all those things are related, but that's tremendous opportunities out there if realtors just go hunting for them.
Now, if that's an issue that realtors have, can they turn to you and get help from you?
Oh, absolutely. We're doing right now probably 15 such type of actions. Usually we can explain to both sides, here's what's going on, and direct them to a way that will enable them to move forward.
Excellent. Well, there you go, Steve Beede. So thanks for being here. See you next time.
Hi, this is Lucy Righini with Keller Williams Realty. I'm here at my new listing at 102 Brill Court in Roseville. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,898 square feet. It is light and bright. You can see the light coming through the windows in here, as well as it's located in a cul-de-sac with a very large backyard. It's been newly painted both inside and out, brand new flooring and fixtures. It's also close to shopping, dining, and freeways. For a showing or any questions on this property, please give me a call at 916-467-2442. Again, I'm Lucy Righini with Keller Williams Realty.
All right, several of you have asked me, what is a hashtag? Meaning, what are they going to do for you? I'm going to start really basic because it's a really big trend, and we'll get into more depth in the next coming week so you can start to know how to use it. First of all, think of a hashtag as a club. It's like a book club or a wine club. Hashtags bring people together with a specific like interest so that they can find each other. In any social media platform, you can search on a hashtag such as hashtag Folsom Book Club, and any post with that hashtag is going to come up in your newsfeed. Posts on my Facebook newsfeed fly by with about 1,800 friends and postings, but I can search on a hashtag and get really specific very fast, and those that don't apply just pass by and we can find the ones that do. Hashtags are searchable on browsers like Google too. Now this gets a little bit trickier because if you aren't using hashtags in your post, on Google+, in your blog, or on your website, more than likely you're not going to show up at all on the hashtag browser search. Hashtags used in social media like Twitter and Facebook usually are only searchable within that social media platform. I'll stop there for now, but the basic message on hashtags are that they're there to stay, they're great to use, but they got to be used on your website or Google Plus page to do you any good outside of social media. We're going to talk more on this subject in the near future, so check it out, and don't do like a friend of mine and use hashtags and don't tie it back to your website or Google Plus. Thanks.